Anyway, folks, this is July 23rd, and I had a service fella came in to solve the door issue. He just left at 10:30. So I showed him all the evidences that I have with the laptop. And I asked him to take a copy of it with his phone, take a picture of it, so that, because he called himself a management whatever manager for the building. And in the end, I had to ask him what is he managing, because he refused. According to him, I should take my laptop back to the manufacturer. There was no problem with my laptop until they came in with the dog, as I told him. I have a video about that. And he could not answer a simple little question that I asked him. I asked him for the building, the owner of the building. He does not have that. He won't provide that. I asked him for where his office is located. I could not get anything from that. I asked him for his full name. He gave me a name, whatever. And he only gave his first name. He refused to give a last name. I asked him for a work order form. As you can see, I'm going down the list. He didn't have that either, to show any indication that he came here, that he said what he said he did. There was nothing to account for it. And I also showed him the stuff that I had that blocks the door. He saw it. I told him that my intercom is being harassed day and night. Day and night. They said they would speak to the tenants. They never did, because the issue persists. It keeps going on. And I showed him the black flies inside the bag. I showed him the black flies. I put it in front of his face to see it. I showed him the bottles in my sausages. And it's a shame that I did not take a copy of the maggots and the eggs. And this is the evidence. But he's asking who? Because they all know, they are all part of the deal. They are all part of the network. When you call for service, don't expect service to serve you. The service they come to do is to serve them, not to serve you. And as I am doing this episode today, folks, his question is, maybe the place is empty, maybe that's why he's asking that. Are you moving? I don't know what he means by that. I say, what do you mean, are you moving? I just moved in. I don't know anybody in here. Moving where? Am I moving out? Yes, that's what he said. Babe, the place is empty. Yes, it's empty. I just moved in. So, the only answer he can give me for my laptop, the erase, because my laptop has my evidence on it, my laptop has my video recordings on it, my laptop has my information on it. That was the only answer he can give me to take it back to the manufacturer. I asked him who's going to pay for the service. He does not know. So I had to ask him, what are you managing? What type of manager are you? Then I had to tell him, okay, you know what, don't answer that question. Do not answer that question, because I don't even want to hear the answer. And folks, if I tell you I move in just only about 2 months, I move in 84 Rosemount Avenue, Unit 8. And from the very beginning, that was not even the unit that was meant to be. It was supposed to be in Unit 10. But that's how they play with your mind and your emotions, to see how far they can go. But let me tell you that the only thing Satan undermines is Jesus, you know. The only thing Satan undermines is Jesus. I might be an idiot, but the God that I serve is not an idiot. Even before he came in today, I already got my warning from the Lord. And that is why I wrote down the list. And he came in, and even, you know, but all I can say is Jesus is Lord in all the situation, in all the circumstances. The God that I serve, He's the God of all, and He will solve that issue. So folks, I will end that video for now. Have a good day.